I'm at the biggest IT convention in Singapore happening in Suntec Convention Center. And there are over $600,000 worth of prizes to be won. And the best part, no minimum spending, and it's a sure win. Now, here's the quiz for today. I'm challenging each booth to spotlight one product. Just one. Given that some of these booths have hundreds of products, it's gonna be interesting to see what they choose to feature. We're gonna start with PCs, of course, and it's the first booth, Dreamcore. What is the one product you would wish to feature?
The one product I wish to feature is our most unique product, is the PaperX and Dreamcore Special Edition Custom PC.
This is the Dreamcore PaperX PC. If you're deep into Valorant, you know these guys took second place in the Valorant Championship 2023, losing only to EG. On the glass, there are 3 achievement badges, and in the front of the PC is their jersey patterns in UV print. You get to choose your own specs, so swing by if you're interested in it. Next booth, InvaderPC. Feast your eyes on this. The ROG RTX 4090 Evangelion Limited Edition. This isn't just a GPU, it's a masterpiece. A radiant red beauty that's a pinnacle of street cards. And let's not forget the eye-catching packaging. Under the hood is powered by the 12700K and 32 gigs of RAM. Cooled by the ROG Ryzen 360 with Noctua fans. Okay, now I'm at CR Group and they have a lot of products, a lot of laptops, a lot of PCs. They have different brands. But the one product they mentioned is the MSI Thin GF6312VE035SG. Now having a very good deal at $1399. The specs you have is the Intel i5 12450H, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, DDR4 16 gigs of RAM, but you can upgrade it to 64 gigs of RAM. In terms of display, you have a 15.6-inch Full HD, that's 1080p, 144Hz refresh rate, and it's IPS panel. Viewing angles are pretty alright. You get 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD. We're at the Aftershock booth and I asked them what's the one product they want to feature, and they actually keep going back and forth. It's either Ultra Labs or a very good deal, and they chose the very good deal. Come, and the one product is the level 2 AMD 5600 with a RTX 4060, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD. The price, $899. Yeah, a 4060 you get $899. Also, if you buy it on TikTok, there's a discount of $30. That means it's going to be $869. Just a little perspective, alright? The competitors, I won't say what brand, okay? The competitors selling this exact same PC specs is selling it around $1,100 to $1,200. I can understand why they wanted to feature this instead of the higher end stuff. But only one product, sorry. Next booth we have is Dell Technologies. Let's see what they want to feature. More productivity. Yeah, okay, can, thanks. So the one product they want to feature is the Vostro 5320 laptop. It's more of an office laptop. The usual price if you buy it online is $1899. But if you buy it today, here at Comex 2023, it's $1,349. That's a $550 discount. What I would say is the highlight of this laptop is that even though it's small, it's light, they don't compromise on the inputs. You have USB Type-C, you have USB Type-A, you have a headset jack, and they also have HDMI. In a world where everyone's taking out all the inputs, this is pretty good. Oh, they also have a cover for the webcam. So if you're scared that, people hacking your webcam, yeah, peace of mind. Just a little break. This is like a war zone. We have 2 people with mics, and let's talk to them, I guess. Hi.
Hi.
I'm just asking around what will you feature, like one product to feature.
One product to feature, sir?
Yeah.
I will say that wireless gaming mouse.
Wireless gaming mouse. Okay. How much is this?
Usually $39.
Now?
$990.
$990.
$990. This one is a Bluetooth and 2.4 wireless mouse.
You heard it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much yourself, sir. Thank you.
Hi. Do you mind being in a video? So I'm basically asking around in the booth to feature just one product. So what product will you feature?
We actually will be protecting our this very fantastic TV tablet that allows you to watch unlimited movies, dramas, and at the same time you can play games with it. You can cast everything onto the TV. So even when you go overseas, Yeah. So entertainment will be on the go everywhere you go. Yeah.
How much is that?
Today we're having an hourly special. Usual price about $399, show price $299. Now for hourly special, it's only selling at $179. There are whole lots of, I'll say that, free gifts available. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you very much. You heard it. Let's go. So this round there is Cooler Master, which is the first for them, I think, at least for 2023, and they have very cool products. Let's see what they choose. I'm a little bit conflicted because I was hoping they will say the OpX, but they said the DiX. You know what? It's my channel. I'm gonna feature both. So the DiX is a cockpit and racing seat. This is probably excluding the PC and the monitor. Price $4,499. But you can come here and try. That's the thing. So let's try it. So this is the OpX at $26,999. This is an interesting experience. Okay, let's go. The remote control that controls the seat. It's actually a very comfortable seat. Not sure whether it's a real leather or synthetic, but it feels great. The only thing is like, would I pay $26,000? Sorry, $27,000. But you can try it at Comex. Only one product. So like what would that product? Yeah, come.
I know you. I try to contact you to cooperate.
You can adjust the lumbar.
Oh yeah.
This is for the 6D armrest. Okay, you can adjust the front level.
Oh.
This one you can do this.
Oh.
Actually, you can do this. Then you can do this. Then do that. And
Oh.
we don't use it. And then now you can do that.
Very cool. Super cool.
Yeah,
So what's the price for this?
It's a 549 after discount.
549.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
549.
that's not too bad. Yeah. The very interesting thing about this chair is really how the backrest is designed. It really supports your back, I guess you can say that, because it kind of squeezes in. Not bad. Very, very, very surprising. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm at Omnidesk and the product they want to feature is their newly launched Classic. This one is a smaller, a thinner desk, not like this thin as in, you get what I mean, right? Because of the thin size, they have to change the legs as well. So you have different legs and a different controller. The controller now is touchscreen. Price is at $539 and they don't have the wood version yet. So it's something to consider. It's only available for pre-order, but if you ask me, if you have very limited space in your room, it's definitely a table to look out for. Next booth, TCL televisions. I wonder what model would they want to feature. Meet the newly launched TCL C845 Mini LED TV. It comes in multiple sizes and this particular size is 65-inch, costing $249. The newest feature of this TV is the AI PQ 3.0, using AI to correct color, clarity, contrast, and motion. Also, on top of that, if you buy this model, you get a free holiday to Tioman Resort. Yeah, random, but it's there. Prism Plus. So I asked the manager what would they want to feature, and it's not TVs, it's not monitors, it's air conditioned. I'm quite shocked that's all. But there's a silver lining. Come. If you buy a system of 3, 4 or multi-system, you get free gifts. So if you get 3 systems, you can either get an air purifier, a 55-inch television, or a soundbar. What? 3 air purifiers, not just 1, 3 air purifiers. 4 systems, you get 4 air purifiers or a 65-inch television. And if you buy the multi-system, you get a Q75 Ultra 75-inch 4K Google TV worth $1,999. Yeah. Deal in Comex. Next. I think I went through this. They have like over hundreds of thousands of combination. So let's see what would they recommend. Only one product. What would that product be?
Personally, I like this one. So this one. You have like different switches available.
So the one product they recommend me is the Keychron V1. In terms of switches and keycaps, you can choose any color you want, but the base is $179. But yeah, 75% minimalistic, simple, The only thing that they say, no, there's no only thing, only this. Cannot say anything else. That's it for the Comex 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a new concept, so I'm not sure whether you like it. So let me know if you like it. If you have any questions about it, where am I going? I don't know where am I going. All the details for Comex 2023 will be in the link description below. I can't really think when I'm here. I don't know why. Again, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm done. Okay.